Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download or install HWPO training app in your device. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your Play Store or App Store and search HWPO training app. There you can see HWPO training app by Fit R Training. Tap on it, then press Install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open the app and enjoy using HWPO training app to help you with your fitness journey. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.